Hi Year 3, so today is Friday and we usually have a Friday quiz. We are going to have a Friday quiz because it's going to be the end of our money unit, but I wanted to squeeze in one more lesson before we do the quiz, okay? These questions will be in your quiz as well, so you've got to make sure you answer the tasks first before you do the quiz. You've got a bit more maths today, but that's never a bad thing. Okay, so our learning objective today is calculating change. So here, Emma has £10. How much change does she get? Do each of these people get? Okay, so let's have a look. If Emma spent £10, we're going to do some mental maths today. Okay, so she had £10 and she was on £3.80. Okay, if we added 20p to £3.80, £3.90, £4. Okay, so we can write 20p there. We know we only need £6 more to get to £10, so it'll be £6 and 20 pence. So Emma needs £6 and 20 pence. She would get £6 and 20 pence change. Okay, so I'll show you Ravi's one on a number line. If his cookies, I think they are, were £5 and 30 pence, how much change would he get from £10? So we're using the counting up strategy here. So £5 and 30 pence. We can use our number bonds to help us, because if we added 70p to £5 and 30 pence, we are of course going to get to £6. And then we know if we're on £6, we can easily get to £4. Okay, so we're calculating how much change we're going to get. So £6 plus £4 is going to be £10. So if we count up how much we've calculated, £4 and 70 pence. So Ravi will get £4 and 70 pence. Here, Amira has £15. How much change does she get? So we have two methods here. The method that we've been working on, okay? Another method they've done is she subtracted £6 and 20 pence from £15. Okay, so she's done £15, take away £6 and 20 pence, you'll get £8 and 80 pence. Okay, that's another method that you could use. Okay, so she started with the total. So we're going to calculate the change. We have £5. Okay, so if we had £5 and a cup of coffee was £3 and 15 pence, our calculation would be £5, take away £3 and 15 pence. Okay, so if we had our number line, and we started on £3 and 15 pence. Number line's not very straight, is it there? Okay, let's make my number line a bit straighter, shall we? Probably be a bit easier. Like we would in class, I would just rub it out and go again. Okay, so £3 and 15 pence. Let's see, let's do our pounds first. So this is interesting, if we went to add it on £2, we'd get to £5 and 15 pence. So that is too much. We don't want to add on £2. We're going to add on £1. And that's going to get to £4 and 15 pence. Okay. And now let's count in our tens till we get to £5. So 15, count with me, get those fingers out. 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95. Okay, so we're going to be on 80, and if we're on 95, we're going to 85p. Okay, we'll add the extra 5p on. So it's going to be £1 and 85 pence. Okay. So next one. our calculation is going to be £20 take away £12.79. Okay, £12.79. So again, I am going to use a number line here, and I'm going to show you what I do this time, because we've got the ones haven't ended in a 0 or a 5, which is brilliant. If I can show you what we can do on a number line. Okay, £12.79. How many pence am I away from 80p? How many pence am I away from 80p? So I'm on 79. How many more pence do I need to get to 80? And hopefully you'll all be shouting at me saying it's 1p. Okay, it's always good to find that nearest 10. £12 and 80p. When you get to year 4, you'll be doing lots of rounding. Okay, £12 and 80p. And then if we're on 80, how far are we away from £13? 80, 90, 100, so 20p. Okay, and then we can use our number bonds of 13 to get to 20. How many more do we need to get to £20 from 13? You know, 3 add 7 is 10. 13 add 7 must equal 20. Okay, so let's add them all together. £7 plus 20p plus 1p equals £7.21. Okay. Oh, this time we've got two calculations to add. Okay, so I'm going to find the total of what the pot and the teapot equal first. Okay, so £10 and 40p plus £5.70. Okay, let's add I'm going to get rid of these for now. We don't need them today. Let's add the pounds first, like we always do. Okay, £10 plus £5. Oh, that's not the plus sign. Plus £5 equals £15. Okay, now the pence. 70p plus 40p. If 70p plus 30p is a pound, 70p plus 40p must be £1 and 10p. Okay, now let's add them together. £15 plus £1 and 10p equals £16 and 10p. Okay, so that's the first part of our calculation. We now need to do the second part. We need to find out how much we're going to get, how much change we're going to get from spending £16 10p from £50. Okay, so I'm going to get another number line. And let's move this down here if it lets me. We'll have a nice big space down here. Okay, so let's start with £16 and 10p. This time we're going to go to the nearest pounds. Everyone's £16 and 10p. How many more pence do we need to get to £17? 10p plus what will make the £17? It's going to be 90p. Because 90p plus 10p makes a pound. Okay, and now instead of going straight to 50, I'm going to keep breaking it down so you can see how we can break it down if that's easier for you. So we need to find the next whole 10. 17, 18, 19, 20. So the next whole 10 is going to be £20. So how far are we now to £50? You're really good at counting in your tens, so let's continue counting in our tens. 20, 30, 40, 50. So of course, if we added 30 more pounds, we're going to get to £50. Okay, and then we can add it all together. I'm going to write it down. I'm going to make this a bit smaller so we can fit everything in. Okay, so if we had £30 plus £3 plus 90p, how much is that going to equal altogether? 30 plus 3 is going to equal £33 and 90 pence. 90 pence. Okay? Remember, I'm showing you on a number line because I think it's a really good way for you to see how we can count to the nearest 10p, or count to the nearest whole pound, and count to the nearest whole £10, so you can really break it down so you can see what I'm doing. Okay? So I want you to pause it here. I want you to have a go at answering the guided practice. Okay? And then you can move on to the activities for today. So there's one activity which has 3 questions in, and then you move on to the Friday quiz. If you haven't done last Friday's quiz because it was a bank holiday, please go back and do that as well. So today you might have quite a lot of work to do, but that's okay. Keeps you nice and busy. Okay, good luck, have fun.